Wait, before you skip this video, give me just 10 seconds, because if your TP-Link Deco Mesh WiFi is not connecting, dropping internet, or showing no online status, this video will save you hours of frustration. In this video, I will show you proven, real-world fixes that technicians actually use, not random guesses. This video is made with the help of AI, but every single solution here is 100% effective, practical, and tested from real user experiences. Watch the full video carefully, and you will be able to fix your TP-Link Deco Mesh WiFi problem by yourself. If you face any difficulty, write your problem in the comments, and I will try to reply within 1 hour. If this video helps you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel Tech Vibes. Now let us start from the most common reason why TP-Link Deco Mesh WiFi does not connect properly. Most people think the Deco unit is faulty, but in reality, the problem is usually with setup order, firmware mismatch, or network conflict. First, power cycle everything properly. Unplug your internet modem, your main router, and all Deco units from the power socket. Wait for at least 2 full minutes. This step clears cached network sessions and stuck IP addresses. Now plug in only your internet modem first. Wait until all modem lights become stable. This can take 2 to 3 minutes depending on your internet provider. Next, plug in your main Deco unit only. Do not connect the other Deco nodes yet. Wait until the Deco light turns solid blue or blinking blue, not red. If your Deco shows red light, it means there is no internet coming from the modem. In that case, connect your phone directly to the modem Wi-Fi if available, or connect a laptop using LAN cable and check if internet works. If internet does not work directly from the modem, the problem is from your ISP, not from Deco. Now let us talk about correct cable connection. Many users connect the Ethernet cable to the wrong port. Take one LAN cable and connect modem LAN port to Deco WAN port. On most Deco models, all ports look similar, but the first port usually works as WAN during setup. Drop a comment below if you're still having issues. I promise to reply to every question within 1 hour. Make sure the cable clicks properly on both ends. Next, open your phone and install the TP-Link Deco app from Play Store or App Store. Turn on mobile data during initial setup. Do not use Wi-Fi for first configuration. Open the Deco app and log in using your TP-Link ID. If you do not have an ID, create one using email and password. Now reset the Deco properly. This step is very important and many people do it wrong. Take a pin and press the reset hole on the Deco unit. Hold it for at least 10 seconds. Release only when the light turns yellow or blinking yellow. If you release early, reset will not complete. After reset, the Deco app should detect your device automatically. If it does not detect, turn Bluetooth on your phone. Also enable location permission for the Deco app. Android and iOS both need location access to scan nearby devices. I'll reply to your comments within 1 hour if you have any questions. Good luck! If the app still does not find Deco, manually add device. Select your Deco model correctly. Choosing wrong model can cause setup failure. Now choose router mode, unless your ISP specifically says to use access point mode. Most home users should use router mode. Access point mode is only for advanced networks. For your internet connection type, choose the correct option. If your ISP uses DHCP, select Dynamic IP. For PPPoE, enter your username and password details very carefully. If setup fails, try changing DNS in advanced settings. Set primary as 8.8.8.8 and secondary as 8.8.4.4. These Google servers are very stable. Finally, check for firmware updates in the app. Outdated firmware often causes drops. Install updates but never unplug power during the process. If your Deco is stuck in update loop, reset again and update using mobile data hotspot temporarily. Yes, this trick works. Use another phone hotspot to complete firmware update, then switch back to your main internet. Now adding additional Deco nodes. Place the second Deco in the same room as the main Deco during pairing. Do not place it far away initially. Power it on and wait for blinking blue light. Add it from the app. After successful pairing, move it to the desired room. If your mesh nodes show weak signal, avoid thick walls, metal doors, and microwave ovens. Mesh Wi-Fi works best with line of sight or minimum obstruction. Now let us fix Deco connected but no internet problem. This usually happens due to IP conflict. Log into Deco app, then go to Advanced, then LAN IP. Change LAN IP from default to something like 192.168.10.1. Save and reboot Deco. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I promise to reply within 1 hour. Hi everyone, let's dive into some advanced TP-Link Deco tricks to fix your Wi-Fi and optimize performance. First, let's talk about MAC address cloning. Some ISPs lock your internet to the first router's MAC address you used. Go to the Deco app, then Advanced, then MAC Clone. Choose to clone the MAC from your old router. Once that's done, make sure to reboot both your modem and your Deco units to apply the changes. Now, let's fix frequent disconnection issues. Fast roaming is great, but it can cause stability problems. In the Deco app, go to More, then Advanced, and disable fast roaming. Some devices just don't handle it properly. If you still face random drops, try turning off beamforming under the advanced wireless settings and test it out. Next up, Wi-Fi band settings. Separating your bands can help older devices connect much more reliably. Go to wireless settings and enable 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz separately. Name them differently for clarity. For smart plugs and cameras, force them to use the 2.4 GHz band as most don't support 5 GHz. I hope these tips help. I'll be replying to every comment within 1 hour, so let me know how it goes. See you soon. Let's talk about factory reset network cleanup and some advanced solutions for your Deco system. If you changed routers, your phone may store old cache. Go to Settings, Wi-Fi, then Saved Networks, and forget all old home networks before restarting. For an effective fix, change the MTU value in the Deco app. Set it to 1492 for PPPoE or 1500 for DHCP, then save and reboot. If your Deco shows a red light randomly at night, try disabling power saving on your ISP modem, as some sleep automatically. Always keep your Deco away from UPS units with unstable output. Voltage fluctuations can cause random reboots. If nothing works, test the Deco in another house. If it works there, the issue is likely your ISP configuration. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I promise to reply to everyone within 1 hour. Finally, if you are using Bridge Mode modem, disable Bridge and let Deco handle routing. These fixes are collected from real technicians, real user forums, and real troubleshooting cases. They are not theory, they work in real life. If this video helped you fix your TP-Link Deco Mesh Wi-Fi issue, please like this video. Share it with someone who is struggling with Wi-Fi problems. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more practical tech solutions. Drop your questions in the comments, and I will try to respond within 1 hour. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Finally, if you are using Bridge Mode modem, disable Bridge and let Deco handle routing. These fixes are collected from real technicians, real user forums, and real troubleshooting cases. They are not theory, they work in real life. If this video helped you fix your TP-Link Deco Mesh Wi-Fi issue, please like this video. Share it with someone who is struggling with Wi-Fi problems. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more practical tech solutions. Drop your questions in the comments, and I will try to respond within 1 hour. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.